It's Creepy and Tina.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a fantastic day and that your day is going good as ours and that you are in the best of health.
Yes, with health as always being most important. So today we're going to cover hardware stores. And I know a lot of you guys are going to say, what do I need to know about a hardware store? A hardware store is a hardware store. It's where you go and you buy paint and tools and plumbing accessories. That would be in the U.S., correct?
That would be in the U.S., absolutely.
But we are talking about the Dominican Republic. So
Right.
we're going to cover a couple of the big boys, and then we'll talk about a couple small ones, but mostly the big guys. And here there are large and small ferreterias. Ferreteria is the word for hardware. So here we have Ferreteria Bellon, B-E-L-L-O-N, and we have Ochoa. Those are the two big monsters on the block here. And those monsters sell absolutely everything. You just kind of got to see it to believe it,
Yeah,
correct?
you do.
When you tell me you're going to the hardware store, you're usually going where?
Well, I'm usually going to Home Depot if I was in the States, okay?
Or Lowe's.
And there's some things that I get when I go to Home Depot. I'm looking for nails, I'm looking for screws, and things like that.
Yes. But we have a few videos that we're gonna sprinkle in between to show you the things that are possible in the hardware stores here in the Dominican Republic. So here we are at the entrance of Ferreteria Ochoa. And inside you are going to find a vast array of all your hardware needs, of course. They'll have everything you need from small to large equipment, all types of tools, lighting, paint, automotive supplies, everything that you would expect to see in a normal Home Depot or Lowe's. But with this added extra, look at the electronics, the furniture. So you'd just be shocked at the things that you would find at the hardware stores here that you would never find back in the States. Like, I would never think that I would walk into like an Ochoa that we walked into and see furniture. I mean, I expect to see patio furniture because Lowe's and Home Depot sells patio furniture, but I didn't expect to see full-blown furniture because, I don't know, what do you think of when you think of Home Depot?
Well, I think of Home Depot, do-it-yourself, paint, nails, and wood, and things like that.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But as in the Dominican Republic, everything is always different. So they also have things like bedding, bathroom things, electronics, and
like a Best Buy. I felt like I was like, wow, all these electronics in here? Am I in Best Buy or where am I?
Yeah, they did. It was crazy. It was an entire section. But they also do home decor. So like I told you, it was like putting a whole mini mall into one store. It was literally like having your Best Buy, your Home Depot, a furniture store, and a Pier 1 in an all-one stop and shop.
I could not believe it. I was so shocked. I kept walking. I seen lamps. I could not believe it.
So still in Ferreteria Ochoa, we have furniture, all types of home goods and accessories, just the vaster variety of just anything literally you would need, but in a hardware store. So watch and enjoy as we take you through some more parts of the hardware store. So be adventurous. Go to places you wouldn't normally go. peruse the aisles, check it out, because you really will be surprised at the gems you'll find in the most unlikely places. It is shocking. I mean, we found things in places we never thought. But it's part of growing in your new home abroad.
So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed.
Yes, make sure to hit that subscribe. Make sure to hit notifications. Give this and all videos a thumbs up. Remember, giving a thumbs up and hitting subscribe is a free and easy way to patron the channel. Make sure that you look underneath the videos, because that's where we put all the information for anything that you may want, especially our one-on-one consultations that we do either by phone or via video.
So until the next video, peace.